Today we are helping at the museum. Let's make a new exhibition. Sculpture. Axe. Spear. Crown. Well done! We need to put these items inside the display. Spear. Bone. Gem. Papyrus. Mummy mask. Ring. Good job! Keep going! Lyre. Lyre. Papyrus. Spear. Axe. Spear. Plate. Coin. You made the exhibition! Good job!